These social media influencers have millions of followers and charges over $10,000 per Instagram post. But the shocking thing is, they are not real. They are all AI generated and they are having brand deals and paid sponsorships and making tons of money. But you may be thinking, can I do that? And the answer is yes. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you guys can generate your own AI influencer for completely free. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So first of all, we need a beautiful face for our Instagram model. For that, I'm gonna use Tensor Art, which is totally free to use, and we have multiple models to generate the images. But I'm gonna use Juggernaut Aftermath, which is the most realistic model in all of them. Now simply run this model and you will have the interface like this one. And on the left side, we can see we have options to enter our prompts. We also have the negative prompt. So I have entered this lengthy negative prompt. You can even use shorter prompts. It all depends on you. And we have the image to image option. But the most important option that we are looking for is seed number. So the seed value is the most important thing here. Now put any random number that you can easily remember. So let's say I'm going to type 1, 2, 3, 4 and then go to the prompt section. So I'm going to give it a prompt, a beautiful woman with big smile on her face, wavy black hairs, ultra realistic. And now hit generate. So this will take only a few seconds to generate the images. So these are a few images that I generated, but I would say these are not looking too good. So let's say if you don't satisfy with the results, just change the seed values and your prompt and again regenerate. And now look at the results. These are some photorealistic images, even the skin texture, and she's looking like a real person. So I'm happy with this model. Now let's say I want variation in the images, like different clothes, different environments, different places, and different poses. So all I have to do is just to change the prompt a little bit. So let's say I want her to wear hat and glasses. So I'm gonna simply add in the prompt wearing hat and glasses and hit generate. And now that same lady is wearing glasses and hat. But we also missed few details on the face, like freckles on the face. But don't worry about that. I'll show you the way how you guys can fix this later in the video. Now let's talk about how we can change the environment. Let's say I want her to visit in a coffee shop. So I'm going to simply type sitting in coffee shop. And you can also change the aspect ratio to get the different images. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so these are the results. And now she is sitting in the coffee shop. You can see the face is matching. And the important thing is our model is same. But in some cases, you will get different model like this one. But don't worry about that. We can also fix this issue. Now let's say you want her to pose differently. So let's say I want her to pose like this lady. So I'm gonna go to the image to image option and upload this reference image. And then make sure to select the aspect ratio according to your input image. So our input image is in a portrait ratio. So I'm gonna select the portrait style and without changing any values, I'm gonna simply hit generate. So these are the output results and she's exactly posing like her. And you can try this thing with different camera angles, different poses, different environments. It all depends on you. So as I promised, I'll show you the way to match facial features. For that, open your Discord and click on that plus icon to create a new server. Now create a new server and name it whatever you want to. And your new server will be created. Now just paste this link in your search bar. I will also leave the link in the description below. And now select the server that we have just created. So I'm going to click on that server and click authorize and you will be redirected to your Discord account. Now simply type / and select save ID. Now just upload the face of your AI influencer that we have finalized earlier in the video and just name it that you can easily remember. So I'm going to give it a name like AI and hit enter and your ID name will be saved. Again type / and select swap ID. Now just upload the image that you want to match face with and enter the ID name that we have just created and then hit enter. And now you can see her face is 100% matching with our AI generated model. And now you just have to create your Instagram account, generate few images and start uploading today. So that's how you guys can generate your own AI Instagram model in